Hey guys, Steve, Alex, and Jay here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Alex, we're getting ready to do one of the, arguably
something we've never done.
Yes.
And it's not smart.
It's probably not one of the wiser
But
moves we've made.
The best part about this is we're not going to shoot it.
No, we've got DJ Dorman here.
I'll be the one shooting it. Yes, that'll be me.
So we have, now what do we have? So we have bulletproof glass. How thick is it?
Oh man, I'd say that's what, at least an inch?
About an inch.
Inch and a half, I'd say.
And we're going to shoot what, Jay? What calibers?
We're gonna shoot a 9, a 5.56, a 50 AE, and then to finish it off, 50 BMG.
All right, so what we're going to do, if you want to come closer, what we're going to do, we're going to kind of section this off, hopefully. Jay's a little nervous about shooting this type of distance, right, Jay?
Right, a little bit nervous. It's been a while.
So we're going to shoot maybe the 9mm up here, the 5.56 in this area, 50 AE, and then a 50 BMG, hopefully, at this guy right here.
To finish it all off.
So, Jay, are you ready to at least try? Let's do the 9mm first.
I'm ready, yes.
All right, wait. Before we shoot, before you watch the rest of this video, post down below which of those calibers are going to make it through this.
1 inch.
Don't cheat.
Bulletproof glass.
Don't cheat. Post it down, push pause, post it down below, and then come back and let's see.
What do you guess?
The 9 will not go through it.
No way.
The 5.56, I believe, probably. Well, all right. So our glass up there is rated to stop up to a 308. So 5.56, 308. And I think it's similar in thickness, so it might stop that.
I'm going to go 9mm, yes.
It'll stop
5.56, yes.
It'll stop the 50 AE.
50 AE for sure.
It
50,
will not.
no.
50 BMG is going right through.
Yeah,
it'll stop it.
I think it'll blow
Because
this
the diameter, I think it's just it has too much surface, and if it were smaller and higher velocity, it might work its way through.
I don't think it's just going to thud on it. It's going to make a dent.
We'll see.
All right, let's get shooting. Are you going to do it?
I'm gonna do it.
All right, here we go.
Let's do it.
So we have Jay.
Yes.
What are we shooting?
We are shooting the HK VP9L.
So the VP9L 9mm. I'm guessing 115 grain.
I may cheat a little bit.
All right, so he's even. All right, let's do this. He's going to try a hull point.
No,
it's definitely.
That's definitely that's definitely not going to do it. So let's do a full metal jacket.
Yep, and if you want, you can try it with a hollow point, but it's not going to do anything.
For sure, it's not going through.
Whatever you guys say. I'm just here to be the demonstrator.
The deepest penetration you're going to get is with a full metal jacket.
I'm proud of you right now.
Thanks. I know, right?
I'm proud of you right now. All right, eyes and ears.
I skipped the easy joke.
Ready? All right, Jay, we're going to be right behind you, buddy.
Good.
All right, he's going to aim for the top right corner and not miss.
Yeah.
Oh!
All right, I took something to my leg.
Yeah, me too.
Well, wasn't that fun? I got a little bit on my shirt.
Yeah.
No. I took I think I took
I
the.
did too. Here, look.
Yeah. Did you?
So here is the shrapnel to the leg.
Didn't even phase it.
No, it literally came back and hit us in the leg.
It literally in my leg.
All right, so get a close up. All right, now if you come over here to the side, you can see I don't think it even made it in, but maybe go right there. It didn't even make it in, but maybe not even an 1/8 of an inch, maybe.
It didn't even get close.
All right.
If you look, you can see is that a hollow?
All right, entire.
Jay, you have a Hellion here, chambered in 5.56. You are shooting a full metal jacket round.
Correct.
All right. And so let's see how this does. Everybody got eyes and ears, please. Don't forget at that distance you're going to have a mechanical offset. All right, let's go up and see how we did.
Boom.
Unchamber your round, please. All right.
I think this is going to be the same type of result with your 50 AE.
Think?
Yep.
It went through.
Completely through, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Completely through. All right, so next up we have a Desert Eagle 50 AE. This is the gun that everybody wants, buddy.
I know, right?
This
This is
is
my
the gun.
favorite gun. I have two of
So,
them.
what do we have here? We have just a, looks like a Hornady round.
Yep, 300 grain.
300 grain, probably Hornady custom. 300 grain Hornady custom. So it is a hollow point.
It's hollow point. I don't think there's any chance this is getting through there.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Not even after watching
Should there
that.
be a
Nope.
bet?
Not even close.
Bet it. Let's see it.
Want to bet lunch on it?
Yeah.
All right, I'll bet you lunch. It will not go through.
You get Culvers, I get Stables. Fair enough? Agreed. Everybody heard it?
By stables, he means where the horses eat.
All right, so
Stables is a fancy place in our
Well,
community.
this works.
All right, eyes and ears, everybody.
I'll be standing behind Steve.
Yep.
Blew it completely apart.
Well,
We can figure it out. Oh, no, he didn't. He hit it right here. No, something's right here.
hit it right here.
yeah. That's with the 9mm. He hit the corner and it shattered it. You're probably gonna find,
There's chunks of it.
yeah.
Right here, right here, right here, up there.
I'll glue it back.
All right, so next we're going to have a Desert Eagle in 5080, right? Right. Ready? All right, so next up we have a Desert Eagle 5080. This is the gun that everybody wants, buddy. I know, right? This is the gun. So, what do we have here? We have just a, looks like a Hornady round. 300 green, probably Hornady custom. 300 green Hornady custom, so it is a hole.
I don't think there's any chance this is getting through there.
Not at all. Not even after watching the video.
Not even close.
Bet it. Let's see it.
Want to bet lunch on it? Yeah. I'll bet you lunch. It will not go through.
You get Culvers, I get Stables. Fair enough?
Agreed. Everybody heard it? By stables, it means where the horses eat.
All right, so
Stables is a fancy place. See how this works. All right, eyes and ears, everybody.
I'll be there. Let's see.
Ready? Yep. Well, he hit the corner. There was no,
Hold on, stand by. He's got it.
yeah, make yourself safe.
I've got this. Hold on, 3 seconds.
Well, do you want to go ahead and take your next shot?
Yes, it's right in the chamber, so it's ready to rock and roll.
All right, let's go ahead and take next. You go a little lower.
Yep. Ready?
Yep. I think you're still high. Yeah.
Clear.
Okay.
You know you keep shooting?
Yeah. Once you're done.
I think I hit the corner of that.
Yeah, for sure.
We have instant replay. We can figure it out. Oh, no, you didn't. You hit it right here. No, something.
I think I hit it right here.
Yeah. That's with the 9mm. He hit the corner and it shattered it. You're probably gonna find,
There's chunks of it.
yeah.
Right here, 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 up there.
I'll glue it back together.
All right, you gonna try it again?
I'm gonna try it again. Yep.
All right. So, no pressure on Jay here.
Yeah.
I mean, only all of YouTube's gonna see this. Maybe Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and whoever else.
It's fine, whatever.
Whatever. Go ahead and miss it if you can. That'd be great. Makes for a good video.
Yeah, does it? Great,
Yeah.
great. Okay, ready?
As if these extra 3 steps That glass came back far. You safe?
It's no point in doing the 50.
There's still a piece left. This piece is still good.
That's nuts.
So now we have at least 2 inches of bulletproof glass here. Are you recording?
Alex camera.
All right, 2 inches. Jay, how big is 2 inches?
I don't know, Steve. What do we have to measure out here? Here, can you hold that for 1 second?
Yeah, I can do some of this instead of just watching you. All right, so the only part that really has a full 2 inches is this quadrant right here.
Did you say quadrant?
Quadrant, yes.
I like when he uses big words.
Quad, 4, quadrant.
Go get him, G.I. Joe.
Right here.
You can clamp it. Use this. That one just keeps them together, and then this one will keep it. It only needs to hold for 1 shot.
Did you get your ammo yet? Yes.
Yeah, I got it.
I mean, literally, you realize there's going to be glass shrapnel everywhere. What's getting ready to happen?
I'll tell you what's getting ready to happen.
For sure.
My ass is going out there.
There's going to be shrapnel
I'm gonna
everywhere.
shoot it from back there.
Yeah, because, I mean, yes, but I don't think that's going to make a difference.
There's your problem right there.
Looks like I'll be getting new guns today.
How do you not record that? He just dumped it all like a dumbass. Are you serious?
Even his wife was disappointed.
That's most of the time.
It's not my fault.
It literally is your fault.
Who poured this floor? My God, there were 2,000 rounds of ammo in that box and you spilled over? Yeah.
I saved the 50 BM or 50 AE.
Oh, that's good.
It's not.
When's the Desert Eagle?
What an
Take
idiot.
it. I don't need more damage.
All right, Steve.
Yes.
This is the big one.
Yes.
We're gonna make a bet on this one, or we just good?
This one's going
So
through.
we're
it.
going through 2 inches this time.
Yep.
Instead of the 1 inch.
Yep.
You have said that he needs to shoot just a smidge higher to be able to hit this.
Yes. I believe about 3 inches. I
How
believe
big
his
is
point
3 inches exactly?
3 inches is about that big. 6 inches is about that big.
Yeah, that makes sense. So how big is this
12
guy?
inches is about that big.
Is this about 11 inches?
That's at least 11 inches. Yeah.
Is that right? 11? Okay. All right.
All right.
Good luck.
Good luck. Thank
We'll
you.
be outside.
We're all
right,
counting
see
on
you
you.
later.
All right. You want to go outside too?
I know what the muzzle flash is like. Oh my God, shot it before indoors.
You're on your own, buddy. I'm here for first aid if you need it.
That footage has to be awesome.
Hey, we need your.
Did I not call this like 9 times? Like,
Wow!
Dude, look.
There, Alex.
Wow!
Look at this chunk. It's everywhere, dude. There's glass everywhere.
that's nuts.
Probably gonna get a new, well, you're right about the 3 inches. Yeah, okay, good. It didn't even phase those. That's awesome.
Dude, I hope this is recording.
That was insane.
The battery thing came up.
It just,
Oh.
It just blew it up. That was better than Tannerite, to be honest with you. That was really cool.
That was,
Do it again.
yeah.
I didn't see it.
There's nothing to shoot left. All right, well, you gonna glue all this back together?
I'm gonna try to, yeah.
Are you really?
Probably not.
All right, first and foremost, what were your thoughts?
That last shot with the 50 was just absolutely amazing. I mean, I did not expect it to just explode the way it did.
So at the beginning of the video, we guessed what would penetrate, what wouldn't penetrate. We were wrong on the 5.56.
Yep.
We were wrong on the 50 AE because it just
I don't know
blew
that
it up.
but I don't know that the 50 AE made it through. I think it hit close enough to the edge that it didn't have the support.
I don't know. We'll watch the footage and
All
find
right.
out because we don't know right now.
He's gonna replay it.
Yes, and then you also just exploded into a million pieces. I mean, it's literally all the
Yeah,
way
it's
back
all over
here.
the whole range. So what you guys
So-
didn't see on video is
Come right up here, look
the
at this.
glass went, the broken remnants were
Chunks like
all
this.
over the range. And
So-
Jay has graciously agreed to clean it all up, so we appreciate
Thank
him
you
for that.
so much,
My
Jay.
dad's in town. I'm gonna make him do it. That was a party
Yeah.
gift.
All
All right,
So, in closing,
do not do this at home.
don't do it at home. And I'm not, can we say this? I'm not 100% sure that was 100% bulletproof glass.
Well,
It is thick glass.
I think it's very thick Lexan is what I believe it is. What I didn't see, I don't see any evidence of laminates in here.
Right.
And
I agree.
generally when you do that, you're gonna see those laminates in there. So I could be wrong. All right, I'm gonna assume we have everything else already captured that we said. So basically, last final words.
Wow. That was awesome.
Yeah, I know.
All right. It was a good time. Thank you, Jay, for bringing this stuff in. And thank you for shooting it. Because when you were shooting the 50,
We all
we
left.
were in there.
everybody left.
we left and went outside. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, all that good stuff down below. And make sure to comment, hopefully before this time, what you thought would have went through.
Yes, talk to y'all soon.
See ya.
Thank you.